Welcome back to a new video. Today I want to just talk about price action on Monday, since we had a lot of trade opportunities. There was new news, so we had like a good day to trade, even though it was less volume. But I still want to go over it and maybe you'll learn something, and also stick to the end, because at the end I will tell you how I would have traded these days, and you can repeat it in days that aren't like highly impacted by news or something. So let's start with Euro US dollar. I didn't even look at it, by the way. This is my first time seeing it. I had like my prediction, I think. Wait, let me go into Australian US dollar. I had my prediction here. Before we get into the video though, I want to quickly introduce my partner, my Flash Funding. I'm not just saying this because they're my partner. I really like this prop firm and I think it will be one of the biggest in the future. They have such a small profit target by just 6%, which is easily obtained by just two 1 to 3 risk reward trades. And if you want to get yourself an account, this is my code, link is in the description, and let's go into the video. So as you can see here, I wanted it to kind of break through that level or react to that level, and we currently have like the like it broke through that level, so that just means it wants to go out of this consolidation and either go all the way up here and react to this level, or it will go out of here and then go down and then react to this level, you know? So this is the point where I just wanted a reaction before that, even like taking out this liquidity, as I said, or going out of this and then the reaction of it. So I wouldn't have traded here probably if I didn't see a good setup. Since, or maybe even this, because there was like on the volume, you could have maybe traded this. Let me see. I would actually delete everything because why not? You know. So let's go to New York session, London session, and see what trade opportunities there were. Wait, and Asia here. So we also go in 1 hour. And firstly, we're gonna take our fixed range volume profile tool. I'm stupid here. And take it from here to here and mark our thing here. So what do we see? We had our, oops, I didn't want to do this. We had our Asia. We could also take another volume profile from here to here and have the same thing. That's actually good, because that just makes this line even better. And we just saw that it took liquidity right there, a good liquidity, because this was a really good consolidation right there, right before the London Open, which would have been really good, into an order block kind of thing here, and it just broke out of this area kind of thing, so it's really likely to go back to this area. So what I have done here, or would have done here, I would have waited for a good reaction like this one, and then go into 3 minutes, wait for a break of structure, which would have been here, but this one was a little bit too late. If I saw it doing this, I probably already go in, because in 1 minute it makes a good break structure. If it reacts to that and then breaks here, I would probably entered right there. Where's my short? Like here. Stop loss above this and aiming for the volume peak here. At least, and a second TP on like the consolidation low. So like 1 to 1 or 1 to nearly 1 and 1 to 2. And this one would have hit. But I don't know, this one looked way better than this one, because if it breaks out of this and reacts to this, normally it wants to go up then, but it didn't now, so this is a rare case, I would say. It still wants to consolidate around this area, which means it still didn't make that move that it wants to kind of go out of this area and react to it. But now we can see that it actually reacted to it here and now had an impulsive up move, which means it will probably retrace now, go back to somewhere here, react to somewhere here, and then we're gonna go continue to go up. So like, you know, here, and then we're gonna go up and take out this liquidity. This would maybe even be tomorrow or today, because I'm gonna upload this tomorrow at Tuesday. So maybe if you see this already happened. But what I would think is that we're probably gonna retrace to here, we disrespect this fair value gap, and then we're gonna go up and take out this liquidity and this liquidity. So I would make a timer here and just wait for it to take the timer, and then I just place my trade if it makes a good break structure to the upside, aim for this and this. This one would have been a good trade, but still, I only have like 60% win rate, so that doesn't mean it is 100% right. Just maybe take this reasoning and take it into your own like knowledge that you have, and just analyze the charts yourself, and you will see if it matches my bias. And if it doesn't match, don't hesitate to take a trade. If you just follow my things that I say that won't make you profitable, it will just make you scared of your trades because you're not confident with your trades. You have to get confident with your trades and you have to follow your trading plan. So you shouldn't care about anyone that says, oh, okay, I'm gonna go for buy, since no one is 100% correct and you won't learn if you do random shit, you know? So, actually, wait, this wouldn't even have hit, am I stupid? Bro, this wouldn't even have hit, but this one still would have been a good trade. I don't know why that said it would have hit. But yeah, this one wouldn't have hit, but it still, in my opinion, was a good trade, since normally if it wants to go out of this, it normally retraces back to this area, which it did here, and this happened, but it took me out before, which is fine, happens, you know? So just do the same thing every time, and sometimes it hits, sometimes it doesn't hit. It's just normal, okay? So, yeah, next thing. I think we're done for here. Yeah, nothing crazy going on. I mean, if it goes here and disrespects it, it's like 100% hunting for this liquidity or this liquidity. Not 100% obviously, but I'm just saying this. And actually going into this area, which are also my Fibonacci zones, this and this, because this is a liquidity area that we see. Normally, if it takes liquidity, it goes into this area. Or if it goes into this area while taking liquidity, it's more likely to be a good sweep, and it's matching the liquidity here. So this one would be in a good place. If it goes all the way down here and doesn't make a break structure here, it's probably going all the way down here, going back up to at least this line, and then we will decide if we want to continue to go up and do this, or actually go down now and continue to go down. So this will be the points. This will be the 3 points that I think where we can take a trade. This one first and see what it does here. If it completely goes through, we can trade sell, and if it doesn't, we can go buy. If it goes through, we can take a trade here after taking liquidity and aiming for this point, and here we can see if we can continue to go buy and aim for this liquidity, or we're gonna go short again and aim for this liquidity, you know? So if you want to trade Australian dollars, US dollars in this time, these are the 3 points, as I said. And I normally do this at the beginning of the day. I just want to see where price has its points, where it has to make a decision, and based on this decision in this price range, I want to enter. So I have I've marked this 3 points, and yeah, that's it. That's how I normally trade. But yeah, this was already the video. I hope you like it, and if you liked it, please subscribe. I really want to hit 500 subscribers next month, because I really want to grow it fast enough. I have my Discord where I'm giving away funded accounts because I want to help traders that just started and don't have the money to buy a funded account. And I actually want to make them profitable. So I'm trying my best to help them and answer questions and also provide funded accounts if they really want to get profitable, you know, and achieve this and really put their mind into it. I'm helping them to get not only profitable, as also making a living out of this. So if you want to join this community, link is in the description, and I host giveaways every second week. So that's it for the video. Like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you have any question that I can make a video about, and see you next time. Bye bye.